Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Red. In this video, I will show you how to permanently fix the problem of poor quality wire covering or frayed wires at home with a simple solution, without opening the neckband or breaking any wires. These are my Rheem Earbuds Pro, which I purchased a year ago, but the wire quality was very poor, and it broke into pieces. You might have tried using transparent tape to fix it, but it is not a good solution and does not look good at all. The solution to this problem is wire covering. I purchased this product from Amazon for the cost of 180 rupees. I received 2 pieces of wire covering, each 1.4 meters long and of really good quality. This wire covering can cover all your broken wire parts and prevent your wire from breaking due to excessive bending. It is a permanent and simple solution. If you are interested, I have included the product link in the description. You can simply roll this onto your broken earphone wire or charger cable. We get 2 wire covers of 1.4 meters each, which is sufficient enough to cover 4 to 6 neckbands easily. If you are using expensive earphones and want them to last longer, then you should definitely try using this product. By the way, what solution did you use to fix it? Let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video on Tech with Red helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and peace out.